Yes, these are technically marshmallows, but they are just sugar and corn syrup. Actually, eat marshmallow. Marshmallow is a beautiful plant with little purple flowers. The leaves are edible, the flowers are edible, the roots are edible. You can make tea, they soothe digestion. That's the #1 thing that the marshmallow plant does. Also great for respiratory health and even skin irritations. So next time you want marshmallows, actually eat the marshmallow plant. This one is behind me, about 10 feet tall. They get enormous and they will give you tons of super healthy, delicious marshmallows.